Hello everybody. Today we are going to start a new poem, Beauty, and this poem is written by E. Yi Shore. She was a poet, writer and educator. She belonged to Mexico, North America. Now let us focus on the title of the poem, Beauty. What do you understand the word beauty? Beauty means beauty is that makes us look and feels good, that makes us feel happy, right? And in this poem, the poet talks about two types of beauty. One is nature's beauty, or we can say beauty of nature, and another second one is inner beauty we human being possess. Now let us move on to the poem. Let me read the first stanza. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Now let me explain the first stanza. Here the poet says that beauty is seen in the sun rays, mainly especially in the morning, in the evening. You might have noticed, observed. And here the poet says that beauty is seen in the trees, in the birds, or we can say in the movements of birds while flying. Beauty is seen in the corn growing and people working. Beauty is seen in the field, or we can say in the agriculture, and people, farmers working or joyful dancing for their good harvest, for their good crop. Let us move ahead to second stanza. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Here the poet says that beauty can also be heard. Beauty is not only seen but also heard in the night. Wind sighing means here the poet says that beauty is heard when a whistling sound is made by the passing wind. And beauty is heard in rain falling, or we can say beauty is heard in the sound of falling rain, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Here the poet feels that beauty is present in the melodious tune, or we can say song sung by a singer from the deepest from his heart. Then let us move ahead to third and last stanza. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Here, in the first and in the second stanza, the poet talks about beauty of nature, nature's beauty. And in the second stanza, the poet talks about inner beauty. Here the poet says that beauty is in yourself, beauty is in oneself, or we can say beauty is seen in yourself. How? With good deeds, happy thoughts. How it is seen? With good deeds, with good works that we perform, happy thoughts, noble ideas that repeat themselves. That means that good work, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams. In your dreams mean here your ambitions, your goal, आपके अपने सपने, in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Next, have a look at the board. Beauty is seen, or we can say beauty is present in the dark, or we can say in the night. Beauty is present, beauty is seen within ourselves, oneself, and beauty is present during the day. So we have already discussed, we have already learnt just now in the poem. Now what we have to do? Now we have to identify that in which stanza, how many stanzas are there? There are 3 stanzas are there. So we have to identify that, we have to find that in which stanza beauty is seen or beauty is noticed in the dark, or you can say in the night? In which stanza beauty is mentioned, beauty is seen within? In which stanza beauty is seen during the day? So the first one, beauty is seen in the day, in the night, in the dark. It is mentioned in, yes, second paragraph. Then in which stanza beauty is noticed, beauty is seen within? Yes, in the third stanza. And in which stanza beauty is seen during the day? Ultimately first stanza, first, second, third, or we can say A means first stanza, B and C. That's all for today.